Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee, welcome back to the channel. Hey, tonight I'm out here on the screen porch, beautiful summer night, and I needed to clean some cobwebs out of the corners, so I thought I'd take a minute, record this, and show you my hack on how I go about doing that. So stay tuned, let's get after it. Alright guys, so this is what I do. I always got a ton of these Costco shop towels around, or any kind of microfiber towel there. And I have one of these light bulb changers. You know, I don't think I have any light bulbs like this anymore that you'd actually use to get a regular incandescent light bulb out of a tall area, but I still have this around, and this works great to reach high spots. So what I do is I start wrapping some of my shop towels around it. The nastier ones the better. And I'm just going to do probably like 4 or so on here. And I want to make sure that I'm putting the most grippy side to the outside. And then you've seen me use these in a ton of videos. Again, ball bungees, indispensable. Use them for absolutely everything, including this hack. So I just wrap those around, and then I'm just going to take a ball bungee, stick it around here. Nobody needs any stinking Swiffer dusters when you got the ball bungees and the rags. All right, so it kind of makes a nice little soft area that's going to really grab onto those cobwebs. And then I'm just going to go ahead and extend this, and you're going to get to see how far this really goes. And that's basically fully extended there. I think to that point there is about 16 feet up to the peak. So I can reach all the way up to the peak by extending this. So how I do this then is I'll just come in here, and it's soft enough that it's not going to damage my screen. And I can just kind of bring it through all the corners and work the webs out. And spiders are amazing. Even in the screen porch, they still find a way. I don't know how, but they manage it. And you could even you could even use this to kind of dust your screen if you want. So lots of uses. You can kind of see the dust coming out of there. So there's that one. And we get a few more sections, and then I'll show you what I got. And with that thick wrap of the microfiber towels, really slides along there nice. Man, you can really see the dust kind of coming out of there. Okay, I'll go down and do this third corner. You probably can't see it, but there's some really big webs right here. So we did 3 panels. I think I got all the webs out of there. Now we can come down here. I'll shorten this up for you guys. You can see kind of, you know, we got a pretty good amount of nastiness on here with the webs. So that works pretty good. And then all I'll do now is I'm going to go ahead and take off an outer layer. And it's still thick enough. I don't need to put another one on right now. Let's wrap this around again and go for round 2 in a different spot. And now I'm in a shorter area, so I don't even really need that much extension. Yeah, check this out, guys. You can really see that dust in there. quite a bit on the outside of the screen. In one of my next videos, I'm going to test out some. I got a nest that's actually built in this little corner here between my eaves trough and my screen there. So I'm actually going to put some bird spikes in there because I constantly got birds coming in there building nests. It drives me nuts. And then they drop some of the straw actually goes in between my screen, falls down on the porch. So we're going to go ahead and try to remedy that on a next video here shortly. But yeah, guys, I think that gives you kind of the idea. That's, you know, we started with a pretty nice yellow one, and that's pretty gross. So you might want to give this a try if you got an extension pole laying around. Even if you don't, maybe you want to pick one up, and just as simple as that. All right, guys, so there you have it, the cobweb killer. Just a simple extension pole, some rags, and the ball bungees. I'll post a link to all these in the description. Should you need some, you can shop for them yourself. But again, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your right. I have other content linked for you on the left side. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching.